If you are inspector, I understand you know better. You know everything better. You know how to fix car better. You know how to get customers better. I understand. I was there as the same. I was in the same position as you were. But what I wanna tell you about is CarExamer.com. Have a look what we do. If you love to help people, as I'm sure you do, as you love to fix cars, I'm sure you do. But what you're always struggling, the one person can't beat 20 people. What I mean by that, you can be the best person as you can be, but you can't win the game. And the game where we are is you can't get the best contract. You can't expand because you're limited with your capacity, what you can do. And what I'm offering you is to join free, help people and grow with me. Grow with CarExamer.com. If you will help me, I will help you. Only thing I ask you to do is drop on a link, CarExamer.com, join us. We're looking people like you who are great, ethical, the best in the trade, who love customers, who love cars, and I'm sure you do, and you are one of them. And I'm looking for you. I need your help. Why would I need your help? We creating a movement of great people, great ethical mechanics. We call them inspectors. I want you to be successful. I want you to help me, and I will make sure you are successful. So you don't have to ever worry about the money, so you can expand and grow with CarExamer.com. It's my promise.